Welcome to another video on Expat Van Life with me, Jimmy Renz. As you can see, we're here today. It's at our land, but this video, I promise you, is van life video because we got the car packed up, all the dogs are in the front. We're gonna head off. I'm gonna head out of here for a few days. Say hi, guys. Everybody's in there ready to go. We're gonna head off for a few days because it's going to be raining here over the next 3 or 4 days. We're gonna head out of here. We just came back actually from 3 days away and the plants were fine by themselves, so we don't need to stick around here while the rain's here. It's going to be super windy, so we're going to see how good it is when we come back, but let's go hit the road and see where we end up. It'll be good for a few days. Oh, I just heard that noise again. I don't know what it is. It must be the Vitamix container standing up because usually I lay it down. It's going to be knocking like that for 2 hours.
Just down?
It's a bit annoying, isn't it? So this is regular path, like that, regular leak.
No!
Who was that?
Dino, man. That was Dino.
Leave him at Mum's place next time.
In a
minute, turn left.
Daddy on his leg.
In a minute, there's a speed bump.
Snushies.
Pooh! I can't even eat poo, mate. Oh. Johnny's bottom or something. Don't you always put their bottom in front of Dino accidentally? And Dino's always like, oh yeah. No thanks, mummy. Dino's one of the sickest dogs we got.
In a minute, there's a speed bump.
He's always, oh
about 600 meters ahead, turn right. Take the second lane on the right. Then go 40 meters ahead and turn left. In a minute, there is a speed bump in a row. Towards. In a minute, there is a speed bump in a row.
What are you doing?
Because there's a speed bump in a row. Look at these trees.
You used to love being at the back, alright? Good job.
About 300 meters ahead, at the roundabout.
Have a seat, man. Have a seat. Oh no. Johnny, your turn, Johnny. Go.
Don't use the blinker, mate. No one knows where you're going.
Oh, Johnny and Dinah, honey. On success.
What are you doing? You're in the middle lane or what? Why don't close the back?
About 600 meters ahead, at the roundabout, take the 11 o'clock position of the second exit towards.
You tried to put Dinah in the back, you didn't like it?
Dino told me that.
Oh, you put Jummy in there?
Yeah.
Straight back over?
About 300 meters ahead, at the roundabout, take the 12 o'clock position of the first exit. In a minute, there is a speed bump.
And give way to the people on your left. So if there's somebody coming onto the roundabout on the left, you have to let them go first. You don't cut in.
Crawling on me.
Why you didn't use a dump buggy? Go. No dump buggy. No gump buggy, do you see? They're just turning right, no gump buggy, no indicator. How do I know they're turning right? Oh, God. having a hard time?
Yeah, oh my god, okay.
Put him in the bag. Take it back. Go back.
In a minute, there's a speed bump.
You want to go back now? Oh, this is the area we used to come. Let's have a look.
About 600 meters ahead and turn left. Towards.
There's a hammer mine or something here.
In a minute, there's a speed bump.
It says no camping park over here.
Okay. This is some track. Oh, stop.
Stop it!
I can't get in this track.
You naughty dog. I waited for her because she wanted to cross. All you want to do is bark at her. You.
In a minute, turn left. Then go 56 meters ahead, and you are near your destination.
What's this one? Some new building.
Let it see.
Nice sign here.
Yongdam 괜찮아?
Yeah. Doesn't have a sign at this one, does it?
Too good.
You've arrived at your destination.
That's the maintenance there, mate.
It is.
On the last one?
Yeah, nice one.
Or is it a wheelchair? What is that? It's got some kind of... It's not a wheelchair, is it?
No.
Is it a turnaround spot? It's not a car park, the last one. Second last one then. Who's going to come back next to us in the last one? Oh, soodle doodle. Here. So we've come to Yongdam Ho, which is Yongdam Reservoir, lake, dam. It's a K-water dam where the drinking water comes from for Korea. And we can see the dam wall. We're actually below the dam wall. The dam was up there, but the car park on that side didn't allow for camping cars or camping, but we weren't going to go there anyway. Our original destination was here. So we've come over here. Come check this out. This is one of the lookouts here. Nice little lookout. So here's the water coming out from the dam. The dam wall's up over there. And there's a bit of a garden, bit of a park here. And there's a lot of dragons in this park. This shot over here is actually this walking path. There's a dragon over here. Here's the ecological park. Up through here. Probably bring the dogs out here later for a walk. Here's the dam wall over here, and you can see one of the spillways up there. Jump over here real quick. Spillways over here. You can see the storm clouds behind coming this way. And that's the water runoff. Over here, this is the road we came around. Came over this bridge. Over here, there's actually a free campground. Free vehicle camping, like camping cars and stuff. And we didn't know about it until after we got here and I looked at the map. So maybe tomorrow night we'll go and stay over there because we're going to stay away for a few days. And the water's coming out over there. And while there's a storm coming over this way, Gia's cooking up a storm inside and I'm getting pretty hungry. I haven't eaten all day. So I'm going to go in there and see what she's got. Alright, so she surely did cook up a storm. We got this salad tonight. This is actually our rocket or arugula. Some of it from our field that we harvested this morning. And then we got some rice and lentils with some bidam namur, some greens that I don't know what it is in English. Well, every morning for the past week, we've got up early in the morning before 6 and gone for a walk or a jog. And today, even though it's raining, it's no different. We're out here at the Yongdam the Yongdam Dam or Reservoir, depending on what you prefer to call it. And we've come up to the top of the dam, but you can see how low this dam is because of the recent drought that we've been experiencing here in South Korea. Annyeong! Kimchi! Smile! Kimchi works? Kimchi works good. Never can get it to work on smile, so your kimchi pronunciation must be much better. It works for me with kimchi as well. Maybe because you did the English pronunciation of smile and not Korean. Smile. Talking about the mobile phone camera, voice activated. Never works when you say smile in Korean, but it always works with kimchi. We've decided to leave this park here with the Western toilet and head over to the camping ground. We went and had a look yesterday when we walked the dogs. It was too dark and too rainy to take the camera with, but we're going to go over there now and check it out and spend the day there in the rain.
I'm pretty good.
Look at that seat warmer on. Can't keep dry. We're not going far, guys. I didn't even put it in the navigation because it's like just over the road. It's probably like 3-minute drive. Get comfortable, get these. We got everything. Oh, did we get the poo bags?
Oh no. I can do it, mate.
Sure?
Yeah, probably wear it a bit.
You put the umbrella away. I can grab it. I got a seat warmer on. Oh, I'll get it, mate. You got all the dogs in it. What about here? Is it shut? It's all shut with this in here?
Yeah, it will.
Almost we got the poo bags. Imagine driving over them and leaving the poo here, and he would have. That's why they'd be putting a sign up. No more camping car. Camping car gumji.
gas. 2 poos, eh?
Yeah, 2 bags of dog.
2 full poos.
Oh, one's empty, isn't it?
좀 기다려. 엄마 다 됐어. 주세요.
Got nice rain here. Surely there's not going to be that many people down there, is there? What do you reckon?
Well, the people who have a tent, they would still there.
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to pack up when it's raining.
Oh yeah, but some people did pack up and then they go home and they dry it out, you know.
And like it was all over the TV or news that it's going to be raining and everything.
Yeah.
So they.
But people with tents, they might still be there. But camping cars, they can just, like us, pack up and drive off. So.
Bye bye. Thank you for a night.
Let's see, is the creek coming up? Oh yeah. Ooh. I just hope we don't get bogged in the sand. Should be alright. As long as there's no sign, you should be right to go in. Probably going to hit a few of these trees. Oh, whoa.
Oh, it is. No, that's true. It's alright, mate. Oh, yeah, you can't see much.
That's bumpy here, this bit. This is the bit here.
Oh, Daddy, you're such a driver.
I'm a driver.
Oh, Daddy.
Look at this bit here. I got to drive off the edge here. I really don't want to. Yogi. This is where you got to turn around if you don't want to stick in there. Go down there.
There's still people there, look at them.
I just hope it's not muddy and boggy. This first bit, it's rocky. Caravan's still there. Yeah, they're all there. Is it muddy to drive in there?
Oh, doesn't look that muddy.
I reckon we can make that alright.
Oh.
Oh, we did hit the bottom. That's what I was worried about. Coming in and out. Oh, we're fogging up though. You're going to park up over this side.
Over there. Oh, there's a white car. Did you want to park in between them or more further?
Probably in between would be alright. Next to the Jeep.
Yeah, Jeep family, Jeep and Jeep.
Oh, we got the second Jeep. They wasn't there yesterday, the second Jeep.
Ah.
Oh, nice. Oh, I wish I had a Jeep. Try and get it as even as possible. Naturally leads to your side, so... Is that too close to now?
Nah, it's fine.
Like that.
I want to go through.
Yeah,
Let's go through.
let's go through the middle. That's it, Chewy.
That's
Done.
it, Joey. This is it. This is all we wanted.
That's it, and we're here.
This is
This is where we're going to stay. Enjoy the rain. Alright. We've been here for a little bit, had a cup of coffee and stuff, and I'm going to whip up the fluffiest vegan pancakes ever that we've had in our van life. Because we've got one of our favourite ingredients that we never use, and that's flour.
Awesome.
We're going to do double recipe.
Double recipe.
Alright, so I need 2 cups of flour. This is the first time cooking real camping food in the van life.
Yeah. Awesome. Boom, boom.
Because we're doing double recipe, we need more milk. Oh my god, that's gonna be so good. Just no vanilla.
I can mix.
Yeah,
Just
just be careful.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were reading.
I can do it together, mate. I like to finish this miracle morning before I write about my miracle morning in my brunch.
Yeah, if you want to whisk this together, be careful.
Mm-hmm.
This is half the size that they recommend. See how that goes.
That looks perfect in our frying pan.
So we use a little bit of tapioca flour in this one today. About a quarter cup, yep.
Awesome.
I added some to it, see what the difference is.
Wow. That it is.
Non-stick?
Yeah.
First time cooking real van life camping food, I guess, in a long time. Got some fresh strawberries here, got some hemp seed, got some walnuts, got some blueberries and some spices to go on top, cinnamon, allspice and cloves. And we got a little bit of honey left from Santa Claus in Korea that gave us some honey one day when we helped him out doing something. So we're going to dig in. Not so fluffy as they were last time, but I think it's because they used tapioca flour to substitute some of the white flour.
Oh, it smells good. Smells so...
We're going to head out of here. We spent one night here and one night at the park, so we're going to head out of here. We're going to go find somewhere else to stay closer to the city of Jeonju. We all ready to go, guys?
City of Jeonju! Whee!
Dino saying hello. Jomi. Suda. Dechu. Kangan. You want to say hello? Kangan. Bebe.
Bebe is sleeping.
Bebe never wants to come out.
He's a cute.
He's like a small kangaroo.
He's a cutie.
As you can see, it hasn't stopped raining. We had a bit of a pause this morning and went for a good walk. Went to another park. And came back to these guys barking like crazy. Hopefully tonight there'll be no one at the place that I've picked out. So.
The water's got pretty high.
The car's just warming up now. Yeah, you think the water came up? I can't tell.
See, this is exactly how you want. She's calm and on my left.
Yeah.
My arm.
When does that happen? Not very often. We're just going to go up to the toilet to start with anyway.
Ready to go, honey?
Enough. Yep. Love ya.
Great teamwork. Love you. Love my family.
There's a dog there, look. Who's in the window?
Bye, people.
good, eh? That's a good spot. Definitely come back here again, maybe when it's dry.
The dry and probably winter. Winter would be great.
Winter would be good.
Summer would be busy.
Getting dog smelling. Smell like dog.
You know it will.
Look at that big island in the middle here. Look at this gorgeous weather that we've got out here now. So it's been raining for about 3 days. We got to see the Yongdam or the Dragon Lake, as it's called in English, because the shape of it is like a dragon. And we had a look around out there for a while. Now we've come back to Damyang, which is where our base camp is, our land, and it's over in that direction. And we stayed out here last night across from the Hanro Mart. We did a grocery shopping over there last night, and then today we've got some more grocery shopping to do. But I just wanted to show you this monument as it is here about Damyang, and because I haven't really shown any of Damyang really other than our land. So this is, it's the city that's over 1,000 years old. It's been called Damyang for more than 1,000 years. And you can see here these pictures that are around this arch. These are actually all the villages. So in Korea, so it's the city of Damyang or the town of Damyang, and then you get the little suburbs pretty much around it. And ours is the third one up there. It's got an owl, a bell, and a bamboo. You can see talks about a long history, flows in Damyang, talks about the, what is it, there's some river that starts here. The Yongsan River starts to flow and has beautiful bamboo forest. Damyang is very well known for its bamboo. And this is the Millennium Declaration saying that it's been called Damyang for 1,000 years. Damyang suggests our village is a blessed land endowed with beautiful natural environment. Damyang is a village of volunteer army and the home of Gasa literature. Damyang is a storied village famous for its high-class culture and rich resources of liberal arts. And they put this in 2018. Damyang, the over 1,000 years old city. I probably would have worded it differently, but nobody came here and asked me. Oh, look at this. They've got 2018 in the middle there. I only just noticed this. And then they've got this one here, after 3018. They must be going to put something in here. Come back in 1,000 years time, eh? Another 1,000 years out here. If you like these kind of van life videos, guys, let me know in the comments, so I'll be more likely to make more content about van life. Let me know what you want to see, because we're going to head back to the land, and as excited as I am to see the land and share it with you guys might not like seeing land videos all the time, so let me know. I can still post content about living in the van, and yeah, in the future we look at bringing more and more content about living in Korea as an expat. Until the next one, guys, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.